Hello and welcome to the channel. Today, bumili tayo ng mga gamit that will hopefully improve our future vlogs. We have bought a GoPro Media Mod as well as a Purple Panda mic. This is to help improve the quality of our audio in our vlogs. Recently, meron tayong mga feedback from our viewers and thank you very much for the feedback. It helps us improve our channel and will help us grow along the way. So the feedback that we've been getting is during our vlogs, yung audio natin is medyo blurry. The people cannot really understand what I'm saying. Hence why we put subtitles in our videos. But with the help of our media mod as well as our new mic, we'll be able to speak clearly as we're doing the vlogs. So before we start, let me just remove my GoPro and I'll show you how to install the new media mod. So the media mod is basically it's just a add-on to your existing GoPro. So the media mod that I have is actually for our GoPro Hero 8. So let's open it up and let me show you. So it's basically like this. So you have the media mod and you have a thumb screw as well as a additional bracket. No, sorry. This is ano to? In the box. This is a mounting buckle according to GoPro. And what this does is that when you put this on your GoPro, this should convert. Basically, this is a mic. So when we put the GoPro, let me just put this down. When we put the GoPro, this will be like an external mic for the GoPro. So when you vlog, you can be heard. There's a mic here and also a mic at the back. So what we're gonna do is we're going to install this on we have another GoPro Hero 8 here, the one that we bought recently. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the cover of the GoPro, like so. And what we're gonna do is open this up. You have to pull this down, then pull outwards, like that. And as you can see, there's actually a Type-C connector here. This will actually mate with the existing connector of your GoPro. So what you do is you just slide this in and line the two up so that hindi siya bumaluktot or tumabingi. Then when it goes in, you just push it all the way like this. It has clicked. Then you just close it all the way, then pull up. There we go. So there, the media mod is attached. So it's very simple. And now what we have is the Purple Panda mic. The Purple Panda mic is actually one of the best known moto vlogging mics out there. It's the clarity that it gives even at high speed is unmatched to its competitors. So we bought these things actually. We bought the Purple Panda and the media mod from Memory PH. They're a very reliable source if you want to buy original items for your GoPros and like this, the microphones and whatnot. Do check them out and see what items they have. So the Purple Panda, we basically have some adapters, extensions. It's basically just a mic that you attach and you have a dead cat also. So what we're gonna do is we're going to open this. We'll put the dead cat on the mic first. This helps lessen the wind noise that you normally hear when you're riding. Or let me show you an example of what the wind noise I'm talking about. So basically, you get the jack and you plug it here on the outlet. Then you just connect your mic through the jack until it clicks. There. And there, we now have a mic setup. So what we'll be doing is we'll be testing it out to see if our audio improves, and hopefully you'll hear me a lot better and you'll understand what I'm saying next time. So yeah, we'll try this out and see what happens. So currently, this is what we sound with the media mod attached to our GoPro Hero 8. And this is what we sound like with the purple Panda mic. So with our new media mod, it will turn our audio from this. So, good morning guys, and welcome again to the vlog. To this. So, good morning guys, and welcome to the vlog. Now let's talk about the price. The GoPro Media Mod is 4,900 pesos and the Purple Panda is 3,000 pesos. Now you could opt for a cheaper version, which is the GoPro mic adapter. Pero yung problema dun sa mic adapter is it's very bulky and hindi ko alam in what part of your helmet you can stick that to. Pero for vlogging purposes, like yung gamit natin sa vlog, so we actually use the GoPro here, the GoPro mic adapter on our vlogging camera. Pero when you're going to place it on your helmet, I just go for the media mod. I think the media mod is just 1,000 pesos more expensive than the adapter, and it's more convenient for me. The Purple Panda naman, meron siyang, I've seen cheaper versions of these sell in Facebook. I've seen them go for as low as 2,500 pesos. I'm not really sure about the quality, kung talaga bang tunay siya, cause I've heard that may mga fakes nga daw na binebenta sa market. And syempre, it's a waste of money if you're going to buy a fake part, diba, for a fake item, because yung quality ng audio mo will not be the same. Oh. So for me, if medyo konti lang naman yung difference niya, it's a bit, what I bought from Memory PH is a bit more expensive than what I see on Facebook. I just pay the extra for yung peace of mind that at least yung item na nakuha mo is genuine, para hindi ka ma-disappoint. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and see you next time. Ride safe. Mm-hmm.